Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the top 4 things that you should know about your skin barrier or acid mantle. Number 1, your skin is made up of several layers. Each layer has an important function in protecting your body. The outermost layer of the skin is called the stratum corneum. It consists of tough skin cells called corneocytes that are bound together by lipids. This is your skin barrier. Without your protective layer or skin barrier, all types of harmful environmental toxins and pathogens could penetrate your skin and wreak havoc in your body, and your skin would also be dehydrated. Number 2, your skin barrier is slightly acidic. The acidic nature of your skin is also known as the acid mantle. It not only protects against bacteria but also preserves your skin's microbiome, ensures its structural integrity, and maintains vital biological processes involved in your skin's healing process. Number 3, there are several factors that can disrupt your skin barrier and the natural pH of your skin and can lead to dryness, redness, irritation, and an aged appearance. The most common factors are cleansers and soap. Your skin's natural pH can be greatly affected by the pH of the product and also by the type of cleansing ingredients that are in the product. It's best to use products that are slightly acidic or neutral and contain milder cleansing agents. Here are some examples. Number 4, the best ways to restore your skin's acid mantle and prevent future damage is to switch to using gentle cleansers. Switch to cleansers that are gentle and contain fatty acids, ceramides, and other barrier repairing ingredients that cleanse your skin without destroying the acid mantle. You also want to change how you exfoliate your skin and reduce how often you use exfoliating products, and avoid using scrubs when you exfoliate your skin. You should instead use chemical exfoliating acids like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid. The right moisturizers will also help to restore your skin's barrier. So it's recommended to use moisturizers that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and probiotics. And finally, it's recommended to consult with a dermatologist if you are experiencing continuous or constant skin barrier damage, since most disruptions in the acid mantle are associated with inflammatory skin diseases. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.